in the previous videos about the file explorer and some contents of the file explorer, how you can select a file or folder, and many topics I have discussed, like quick access toolbar, how you can add and delete the, the shortcuts from the quick access toolbar, what are ribbons, what are address bar, what are title bar, and what is folder, chef folders, file explorer. So these all the things I have discussed in the previous video. So today I will discuss and about the search box. But before discussing it, I want to show you that what is the options for opening the file explorer. So I said to you, you just click on window and E keyword keyboard. You will press the E button from the keyboard. So window plus E, this search box file explorer will be opened automatically. Okay, and the next way I said to you, just go to here manually and click on this. Just you will see about the options file explorer, setting, and power all apps. So you just click on file explorer. This file explorer is just open, and these are the two ways to go the file explorer. Next, come to what are search box, students. This is the today's topic is started right now. The search box, basically search box is the area, is the rectangular area where you can write the content to which you want to search about the files, about the folders. So the search box on the right side of the address bar is used to search or a folder by typing its name in the box. So you can search a file, you can search a folders by writing the name in the box. Just let me show you. So here, this one, it is talking like this one. Suppose I'm writing I do not I have one folder that are documents, and I want to search from here. So I will write here documents documents, and I will press the button, enter button. Just check. So suppose I want to search a folder which are having pictures, pictures, pictures. You can see here everything which are having the pictures, so that all are open. Just click on this, you just see a lot of files which are having the pictures like this one, picture. So any text, if it will have, then it just open, because it is searching according to the picture text. So you just see here. Okay, so just delete this one. so students, let me show once again. So suppose you are searching for this file downloads file, then just it is showing to website. If you will found, then just click on this and go to this folder. So this search box are used to search what you can search a file or a folder by typing its name in the box and click it. Next one is navigation pane. So basically, what are navigation pane? The navigation pane is located on the left below the ribbon. It displays the various drives and devices connected to your computer in a form of folders. This icon you just see here, this icon, sorry, this one. The icon in front of a folder indicate that it contains a subfolder in it. So if you will see this type of icon like this one, I'm making this one, then you can understand this is having subfolders. Just let me show you. So this is File Explorer. These all are navigation pane. This is, and what it contains according to the theory. Navigation pane located on the left below ribbon. It contains the various drives and devices. Various drives and devices. You just see here various drives like local disk C, entertainment D, software D, and devices which are connected. So right now no devices is connected, so that's why it's not showing. And this you know that this one shows you that it is having the subfolder. Click here and you can see here it is having the folder document picture. If you click on this, it is also having the subfolders. Okay, so this is also click on this, it is also having the subfolders, it is also having the subfolders. So that's why it is showing like this, you can see here. So this navigation pane is completed. Next one is navigation buttons. So students, the navigation buttons are present above the navigation pane. The navigation buttons are present above the navigation pane. This one, this arrow, this left sign arrow, this one button back, and this one is forward. This one is forward. Buttons help you to move between the visited location. The up button, this one, this button buttons takes you to the parent folder of the current folder. Let me show you by examples, then you will be clear. So these are having the folders like this one. This one is right button, this is up button, and this is left button, back button, but it's not visible. Why it is not visible, we will discuss it. So if I click on this, just see here, so where we will move the work which we left. So what the definition is saying, forward button helps you to move between the visited location. That means you already visited to this one. When I was searching the content, and I have visited to this one, that's why when I am clicking this, then it is showing the visited. Okay, when I click on this left button, then where we went like this, just see here, the left visited location, the navigation are present, and above the navigation the left back button. Just see here, back button and forward button help you to move between the visited location. So you came here, that means one step back. If you click on this, one step forward. Again, if you click on this, so you visited on this. So these are the navigations button, and you got one this one up button. Just click on this. Just see here where you have you went. Again, click on this. So this is basically desktop. So these all are the desktop. So it move on the, if you click on this, then what happened, the button up button takes you to parent folder of the current folder. That means if you are in this current folder, let me show you by one example. Suppose I am on desktop. That means I have a folder, this PC, and inside this folder there are desktop, and if I am clicking this up button, just so here, see here, just I move to the, where I moved, parent folder. Just you to move parent folder of the current folder. So this is the parent folder, desktop. So this is the way. Suppose again I am here, just click here, I am here AA. If I click on this up button, just see here, I move to this folder AA. A is the parent folder, because inside the A there are everything. Okay, if I suppose class 11th, there are one more folder, Pramod Kumar, and if I click here, so it moved to Pramod Kumar. That means that the files which are containing that folder name is Pramod Kumar. Again, if I click, then I move to the this one, class 11. If I again move to its parents folder are desktop. So desktop is containing this one, class 11th. Then class 11th is containing Pramod Kumar. Pramod Kumar folder is having these files. So it's the current files parent folder moves. Okay. Next one, content means. The content pane displays the contents of the folder or drive that has been selected in the navigation pane. So content pane displays the content of the folder or file. This is content pane. So this side is called navigation pane and this is the content pane. So basically this content pane shows you the selected file. Suppose I have selected, so this shows the selected files or folder. Okay. The content pane displays the contents of the folder or drive that selected in the navigation pane. Status bar. The status bar at the bottom of the window displays the total number of items in the current location. It also displays the shortcut buttons for the thumbnails view and this details view. Just let me show you this how many items are in this. Let me show you, just wait. So 1 2 3 4, I have 4 items. Just you just look here. Here 4 items are mentioned, and if you go to here, this it is display items by using large thumbnails. Here if you will move display information about the each item in the window. So that means if you click on this, it will display each item in the list. Okay, so display each item, and if you click on this what is this means, display items by using large thumbnails. So these items in the large thumbnails, and this is used for the that means information about each item in the window. So that's the two things written, thumbnails and details view. Thumbnails view and details view. Next one is viewing contents of file and folder. What is this? You can view the contents of the files and folders stored on a computer. The view To view the contents of a files or folder, in the start menu, click the File Explorer icon. The File Explorer opens. Click on a folder in the navigation pane. That means as we are doing normally. So next one, the contents of the folders are displayed in the content pane. Content panes, double click on the file icon in the content pane. The file opens in the associated program. That are very easy. Just suppose I want to see this content document. I click on this. This content is open in the content pane. Just if I want to see this document for report card report, so I just click on this. Get this report card is opened. So in this way we can open the contents. So next one is selecting a file or folder. Before using File Explorer to do any work with a file or folder, you need to select the file or folder so that Windows may know which one you want to work with. Just to select a single file or folder, that means if you want to work with a single file or folder, open the file folder containing the file or folder. Click on the file or folder. The files or folder gets selected. Then select multiple files or folder. Open the folder containing the files or folder. Click the first files or folder you want to select. Press and hold the control key and click each of the other. That means suppose if you want to work with multiple files, then how you can select the files who got selected. To select a group of files, open the folder containing the files or folder. Position the mouse slightly above and go to the left of the first files or folder in the group. Then click and drag the mouse down on the right of the group. The files folder gets selected. To select all files or folder that are the same thing, let me show you one by one with the examples. Just see here. Suppose I am in this document and I want to select this one. Then I will press Control. Just click this. So in this way these all files are selected. So how you will select? Just you press the Control button and select it. Okay. So so this is the same thing is written over here. So once again I'm just clearing to you because I read it in the fast mode. Once again I'm just selecting a files or folder. Before using File Explorer to do any work with a file or folder, you need to select the files or folder so that Windows may know which one you want to work with. To select a single file or folder, open the folder containing the files or folder. That means suppose you want to work with this one, my family. So you will just click on this, open the folder containing the file folder, click on the file or folder, the files or folder gets selected, definitely it will be selected. Next, to select multiple files, so I earlier explained, suppose if you want to work, just go, suppose I want to work in the document folder, there are this report file, so I will double click on this, my folder, my content will be opened. Next one is select multiple files or folder. Open the folder containing the files or folder. Suppose I want to work with many folders. So first I click the folder which it contains the multiple files. Then next one, open the folder containing the files. Click the first files or folder you want. You first click, suppose I want to this one, this files or folder. So I will click this one. Then I will press Control. Then again I press this one. Then this one. Then this one. This, in this way you can select multiple. So press and hold the Control key and click each of the other files or folder you want to select. So I explained earlier this thing. The files or folder get selected. To select a group of files or folder, open the folder containing the files or folder. Position the mouse slightly. Uh, Position the mouse slightly above and to the left, and slightly above and to the left of the first files or folder in the group. Click and drag the mouse down and to the right until the files folder, the group is selected, the files or folder gets selected. So in this way you also do this. To select all files, open the folder containing the files or folder. On the home tab in the select group, click select all. So in this way you can select all. So you just do like this. Just go here and open a new window. Wait. So open the folder containing the files or folder. On the home tab in the select group, click select all. Okay, so select all means that means Control A, you can just select it. Okay, so all files will get selected. So suppose I want to this one, this is not having any document, this is not also having, suppose I want to this one, then I go to home and here are rename new folder property history, this one is select all. If I will click on this select all, then every content of this folder video winsoft is selected. So this is the way for selecting every content. So thank you everyone for watching this, and you must revise this also. Thank you.